Welcome to Keep On Growing. I'm Mike Van Doozy and I need your help. I'm trying to put together something for y'all, and I've been talking to True Leaf Market and nothing's for sure yet. We're just kind of spitballing and we need your help. They kind of asked me if we were to put together a little sample pack for you of microgreens, what you guys would like. Now, me personally, I love microgreens, right? To me, I don't eat a whole lot of them. I don't eat a ton of them, but I keep them growing all the time. And that's because they're part of my continuous harvest system where we always have microgreens on hand and then we grow them to this. So if you were watching the past 28 days where we took you along for a daily little update about how our garden was growing, you watched us grow, all of this pak choi. And we love doing it in these downspouts because you can move them around just like, I brought it in here. You saw it out there in the shade house. When we're done filming, I'll pick it up and go put it on the table in the sun. And you can't do that with a traditional garden, right? So I love this little system, and I love having microgreens so that we can grow them like this. They're ready to harvest. We start harvesting these, and then we've got some to go right back in the system. We just clean out the downspout, put some fresh nutrients in, and just keep the cycle going over and over and over again. With this type of system, you can do it indoors, outdoors. You can grow all year round and just have your leafy greens whenever you need it, instead of them sitting in your refrigerator, getting pushed to the back and then they get all soggy and end up in the compost pile anyway, right? So I love them. I keep them around all the time and we just keep them going. So the ones that I keep going, I keep all the leafy greens like pak choi, kale, collards, lettuces, all my herbs and everything. But the ones that I use as microgreens, I like the little spicy mix. So if you take something like this and you sprinkle it on, it kind of gets the flavor. It's hard to actually tell what you're eating if it's mixed in with a bunch of other stuff. But if you get a mouthful of radish microgreens, you're really going to know it. So I love it because you can sprinkle them on your sandwiches, put them in your salad. If you have your friends over, they're going to get that little spicy hint. And they're going to recognize it, but they won't see any radish and they'll wonder, what's going on. So radishes, mustard greens, those are awesome. Those are spicy too. We love growing those just for, that little kick of flavor when you're eating. We love growing ones for color like red garnet amaranth, the little purple turnips. There's all different varieties. All right, so this is what I need you guys to do is, down in the description, there's a link to True Leaf Market. It'll take you over there, look at their microgreen page, and look at all the fantastic things they have, all the different varieties and that. And I want you guys to think, if you're already growing microgreens, what else would you like to try? If you're a little apprehensive and you've never grown microgreens before, but you keep hearing about it and people are saying you need to try it, and you really didn't want to order a bunch of them, if you could just try out 6 to 12 different varieties and that, what would be your ideal little package? And you don't have to put 6 to 12 in there. Just tell me like your top 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Just anything you've been wanting to try or would like to see in a variety package. Would you like a lot of greens like this, or would you like spicy, or would you like more exotic stuff, or would you like a blend? And I'll get with the guys at True Leaf Market and they're going to try and put together something for y'all. Like I said, nothing set in stone and we're just spitballing ideas here, but I thought that would be a fantastic thing for y'all to be able to try some different varieties. There's so many things that you can eat and try. Sometimes we get a little scared because we're going to order a bunch of them, and if you don't like the mustard green, you don't know what to do with it afterwards, right? So I think sample packs are fantastic. So if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know down in the comments. And like I said, when you tell me your top 3 to 6 microgreens that you would like to see in a sample packet, also let me know if you're already growing microgreens, if you're growing them right now, or if you've grown them before, or let me know if you're like a complete newbie and you've never tried it at all. Alrighty? I'm excited about this, and there's a lot of other stuff coming down the pike. You guys are fantastic, and I love all the comments, and I love you guys sharing your stories with everyone. And what I really love is y'all helping each other. I see, on all my videos, there's like over 200 videos, and I see people asking questions, and if I don't get to it, you guys are out there helping them and answering questions too, and I really love that. So you guys keep it up. You know, just share the love, get out there, live to inspire, keep on growing, and be the change. Leave me a comment. Alrighty, we'll talk to you later.